uncompressed and lossless transmission, HDMI KVM single Ethernet cable extender HU100. Available in standard and Internet Cafe versions. The Internet Cafe version supports remote power on-off functionality. The transmitter of the standard version can be used independently. The transmitter of the Internet Cafe version must be installed inside the computer host. Connect the power switch cable and the reboot switch cable properly. The receiver can connect to a keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, microphone, and headphones. The transmitter and receiver are connected via a single Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable. Lossless and zero latency support for 1920 by 1080p 60 Hz resolution up to 100 meters. Supports 25660 by 4040p 60 Hz, 3840 by 2160 422 30 Hz, and 3840 by 2160 420 60 Hz resolutions up to 70 meters. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Harmony OS, and other systems. Plug and play. Standard version transmitter interface description. Power indicator, signal indicator, Ethernet port, HDMI input port, USB input port, RS-232 port, Internet Cafe version transmitter interface description, Ethernet port, HDMI input port, USB input port, RS-232 port, computer power switch cable, reset button cable, receiver interface description, power indicator, power input port, work indicator, signal indicator, Ethernet port, HDMI output port, microphone input port, headphone port, computer power switch port, RS-232 port, USB output port, Internet Cafe version standard accessories, 1X Internet Cafe version transmitter, 1X receiver, 1X USB printer cable, forged jumper cables, 2X terminals, 1X power switch key, 1X power adapter. Internet Cafe version transmitter connection steps. Open the chassis. Unplug the original PW power switch cable and reset button cable from the motherboard. Connect the jumper cables to the transmitter. Connect the power switch button and reset button jumper cables to the motherboard. Insert the transmitter into the motherboard. Tighten the fixing screws. Connect the USB cable. Connect the HDMI cable. Connect the Ethernet cable. Receiver connection steps. Connect the HDMI display. Connect the headphones. Connect the power switch button. Connect the mouse. Connect the keyboard. Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the power supply. Now it's ready for use. Next is the live usage demonstration.